Sam here from Applied, and Daniel, Lee,
yes.
Tools with Cars. Thank you very much for coming all the way down to us.
No problem.
Thank you very much for having us.
Absolutely.
Accommodating us again.
Yes. We're, I suppose we're a bit more organised this time, aren't we?
We are a little bit, are you?
Yeah,
We're slowly getting more organised with things in life.
Yes, absolutely.
You see it in every video.
Yes, yeah, get better and better and better now. Keep going.
Wait till you see how professional we're going to get.
So, you brought us down a shell of, would we call it a shell?
Shell, yeah, it's more or less a shell. Yeah.
Shell of a Glanza.
Yeah.
What year is it?
It is 99.
Wow, nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
It's the 98, 99 spec one, and they changed them in 98, so she's a 99.
Lovely. And we've everything kind of stripped off it down to the bare bones.
It's down to bare bones, yeah. Make it nice and easy for you.
Absolutely. Hopefully. Obviously, we're going to use our Aquablaster again.
Yeah.
We're going to go through with our diesel compressor. We're going to go through it. Look, the last time we had a lot of problems with the rubberized coat.
Oh yeah.
Bed liner and everything. So we haven't got any bed liner because it's all the panels and that. So I'm hoping all of the paint should come off fairly quickly.
Yeah.
We're going to do the whole outside and some of the inside.
Some of the inside as well. We're going to do the bulkhead at the back where the heater box would sit. Yeah. The inner sills and tunnel and stuff like that. I'm not going to take the sound deadening off. And then maybe a little bit under the rear seat as well.
Yeah. For under where the fuel tank was.
Exactly. Yeah. Now the whole car has been done underneath already, so it's just a matter of just doing the inside and top of it.
Brilliant. We were worried about it raining today.
We're definitely not going to get that.
No, we're going to get
I think we need to sandblast used more often.
Every day.
Every time we're
Every
together.
single
the
time.
sun is beating down. It's great.
Yeah. I went home red then the last time as
Absolutely
well.
burnt alive.
Burnt alive. Yeah. So we're going to use our 100 litre Aqua. We have a 175 diesel compressor. Exactly the same setup as last time.
Yeah.
You were asking me earlier a time frame. I don't want to say it.
2 hours, Sam.
2 hours,
Ish.
Yeah.
We could push that to 3 maybe.
Looking at how easy you got the paint off the sill and stuff for the Nova.
Yes.
Like
When you did touch that sill, like
when you're touching paint like that, it's fairly easy to get it off, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. And then obviously we're going to use the rust inhibitor on this because you're going painting this tomorrow.
Painting this tomorrow.
Daniel's under pressure tomorrow.
Yeah. My job, we're going to completely prime the outside of the car tomorrow.
Lovely.
So if we're lucky, this weather will hold up and it'll be absolutely perfect.
But even if we get a drop of rain on the way home or anything like that, it's fine because the rust inhibitor will keep it.
Yeah. Keep it. You said on a good day, it'll keep it for 5 days. But
exactly.
With a bit of rain and stuff, you're coming down to like 2 or 3.
Exactly.
Absolutely perfect for us. This is getting primed tomorrow. So
brilliant.
It's nice to know that they're 5 days, but I'd rather just get it done.
Exactly.
We have the oven ready for when we get home anyway. It's going straight in tonight when we get home anyway.
Brilliant. So we might do the same again where I'll do all the hard areas and then I'll give you a nice bonnet or
we'll take the easy stuff.
Yeah, we'll take the easy stuff.
And then we can take the pepper.
Yeah. Exactly. Right, sure. We'll get started with the blasting. I would definitely want to.
Looking forward to seeing how it goes here now.
Yeah, I want to have a good look around and just you point out any problem areas to me, and we'll have a look at the areas and we'll get cracking. So
that'll do.
We had a, well, wasn't it? So for the first time ever, I was on the ball.
You were on the ball.
On the ball.
2 hour Sam.
2 hour Sam.
Yeah.
Back to the name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's your tip.
Yeah, no, that was good. I must admit, it was good. We only had one kind of real stoppage, and that was taking off all the
The
sealant.
sealer.
around
If I
the-
had thought of that before we came down, we should have had that done.
That
Like.
was our fault.
But to be fair now, we scraped it off, and then the blaster took.
Oh
the
yeah,
remainder
no
off.
bother to it then after.
Yeah, no,
that windscreen bond will be very hard to get off though.
I'm happy.
Yeah, oh,
Oh,
yeah,
that's-
absolutely.
Like that is like an incredible job.
Yeah.
Like, and again, you've saved us. Like we're only doing this 2 days a week.
Yeah.
That is weeks of our time.
Yes. Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
That has saved us so much time.
Yeah.
Cannot be expressed enough.
No, and we've done it in a busy yard.
Yeah.
Right. You know,
Yeah.
there's plenty of it going in and out.
Yeah.
Vehicles parked only just over there.
Yeah.
Lots of nice cars coming in and out as well.
Exactly.
To do business coming in and coming out.
We have a nice kind of 4 or 5 meters around where the car is, and that's it perfect.
Yeah.
It'll be tidy as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Being the clean-up job.
A lot easier.
Exactly. We'll let this dry out a little bit, and we'll brush it all up, and works
Grand.
perfect.
Yeah.
I counted the bags. We did 6 bags.
6 bags.
6 bags.
Jesus.
Jesus.
So do you remember the underneath of that Nova? I think
Yeah.
we did.
Yes.
Was it 15 bags
That was,
or
yeah,
something,
that was considerably more.
yeah.
right? So because of the thickness,
of the
we needed a
rubber.
lot more material.
Yeah.
Headliner. But
Yeah.
even still, like that job took you a little bit longer.
Yes.
But that just goes to show how much more time that saved us as well. You
Yeah.
It's very true. Yeah.
know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
just
Wire wheeling that would have been no.
Yeah.
Nightmare.
Yeah.
I don't know with that. I know all about it.
Absolutely. And I must say, like, she turned out well, didn't she?
That's lovely. Yeah.
We didn't find too many holes.
Thankfully, you didn't create any welding for me this time at all.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Bit of extra body work you found for Daniel this time, but
Yeah, there was
one wee spot.
There was a dent here, wasn't there, somewhere?
Yeah, that's
line
something-
or something.
That's something that I was really impressed with because that
Yeah.
door, we thought that door was perfect.
Yes.
It was our
Yeah.
understanding that that door was 100%, but then you started blasting, and there was a huge line of the whole line.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah. No.
Give out for the wall.
Don't give out because he's made your job so much easier, Daniel. Come on.
Yeah, to be fair, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a great job, Sam.
Yeah.
Again, as always.
I'm delighted you're happy with it.
Oh yeah.
And
There's lots of pressure on Daniel now. He's got a perfect platform to start with, so
absolutely.
all the pressure's on you
That's
now.
another thing you had mentioned earlier. Like,
Yes.
Because that's back to bare metal now, it's better than it ever could have been. There's less chance of it having a reaction.
Yeah.
Exactly. Less chance of the priming going wrong, but I'll find a way to fuck it up.
Well, yeah, they wouldn't have done that in the factory. It would have been rolled and acid dipped in the factory, and this is totally different. So
Totally
yeah,
different.
yeah.
But back to when you done the Nova, like it's far better job. It's a brilliant
Yes.
job. Like
Yeah.
just prime straight onto it now. It's great. Like
Exactly.
But it is brilliant that you can have a blaster that can do that with the Aquablaster, cooling the car as your blaster.
yeah, that was the
Especially-
biggest concern.
Especially on the roof.
A roof-
and stuff
roof
like-
was the
right?
biggest thing.
So and even when I'm blasting, I can see the panel dip a little bit like that, but you get no warpage.
No,
Yeah.
because like if you're doing traditional dry blasting, that would be like a banana.
Yes.
It'd be all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a mess, so it's a great job.
No, absolutely. I'm happy, and this was a nice job. It wasn't. Yeah, there was no surprises. It was good. It was good.
Good, yeah. We give you a nice one this time. Wait to see the next
We can
one.
give you loads of nice ones if you want.
Nice,
Just say the word.
nice big flat panels, please. I love. Yeah.
Volvo there.
Big square panels. on it.
Square pans.
Yeah. Very true. Very true. No, I suppose, lads, we'll definitely see you again.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
It's been a pleasure. I'm sure you'll have more stuff for me.
Oh, absolutely. We'll find lots for you.
Yeah. We've a lovely bit of cast aluminium over there as well. We're going to put that in the cabinet.
Yes, you're going to do that,
blast
yeah.
it, polish it up.
See that.
Yeah.
that'd be lovely as well.
I'll get a nice GoPro inside in the cabinet and get a nice shot of it.
Shot of that, yeah.
Yeah.
Really nice now. I'm excited to see that one.
Yeah, brilliant. So I suppose if anybody's watching this and they're interested in the Applied machinery, the Aquablaster or our diesel compressor range, you can give us a call on 057 913 7929 or sales@appliedpi.com.